How's it going, guys? I'm bringing to you Heart and Body Naturals, a company that we're building. We're in the health and wellness space. I haven't built a health and wellness product online in so long, like where we did it nonstop, and it's new to me. Marketing isn't new to me, but positioning yourself to sell these products online is new on social media. On YouTube, it's more easier. So I think I'll just be building this a lot on YouTube, and I want you guys to know you'll be building this a lot on YouTube. You see, you have some. It's a binary style company. Some great upfront money as well. But I want to show you guys the products. You see right now, our left leg is already 4,000, 5,000. Last month, if you see right here, left side, it finished at 200,000 volume. So we're pretty much scheduled to have some nice volume coming in. Again, we just have to build the right leg. You see, we're starting to build the right leg. I've just been behind the scenes, like really switching up and looking at the products and seeing how I want to promote these. So these are holistic products, guys. I like to start with protocols because I sell kits, and I'll show you what it takes to get active in a company. But I like to sell kits because I feel like you're going to have the most amazing experience if you get multiple products. If you just get one product and play it safe, and your diet is a standard American diet, you're probably not going to see that many results. So I recommend, something like the thyroid reset kit. We have a cardiovascular kit, and one that I really recommend, not just because I'm selling it, but the complete liver cleanses. So this one is the one I'll be going on in the next week or two, the liver and parasite cleanse, because everything starts here. So yeah, it's gonna be a little more pricey. However, you get a lot of products, but you get key products. So you're gonna get this nice electrolyte, simple detox. It's not a crazy detox. You're gonna get a liver set of herbs in here. This is more powder form. This is actual herbs, and this is gonna do well on the liver. Then you're gonna get the detox like purge, fulvic acid, black seed oil. If you know anything about black seed oil, just know it does a lot. And then you're gonna have some more. That's actually click it. Can't really see the products that much, but we can come down here. HEPA detox, and you're gonna be. We have some extra things you can do as well, like feet baths and stuff to pull those heavy metals. It's a real process. Right now, they're on a complete parasite liver cleanse in a group. It's like a big community. So I'm saving a lot of the stuff that I'm going to put together for you guys and give you documents on other things you can do during this, even meals to eat. Lemon essential oil, peppermint. So this is some of the stuff you're going to be putting in your waters. L-stimulate, you're going to be doing lymphatic drainage massages. Like this is a whole different like networking marketing thing. I've never had a company where it was like really like a family and we were really helping each other. So it's deeper than just making money and buying the products, right? So this is one that I would start, but there's many different protocols within here. So if you're someone that wants to lose weight, we have that. But I always say start with the root. Start with like the liver, kidneys, lymphatic system, gut, get that together, and then go do the other stuff like the fat burning and stuff like that. We have a petrochemical detox. I want to show you this new feature. You can choose from our 3-packs as well. See, we have the business builder love box, and you pretty much get a sample just about all the products. It does have purge tonic in it, so and some things you can really start working that gut. And then we have this one. This is like someone who just wants to get in and see how it works. But these two are going to get you that 100 customer volume and gonna really have you making money in a comp plan. So let's get in here and start talking about some actual money, guys. And you just come to Opera so you can see how the money works. Very simple comp plan. You see, it's not super long. It's very simple. But I want to show you how wild this compensation plan is compared to many. So first is going to be customer relationship. So when you put in 100 customer volume orders or 100 customer volume order CV auto ship, and I think they do this with regular CV products as well, but they're going to give you MRP points that you can use to purchase products. So if you're on an auto ship of 100 customer volume for up to 9 months, you're going to start getting 15% back on your order, so you can start buying other products with this free money pretty much. We do have a free branded bank card if you're someone worldwide and just want to use what the company has, and you have bank account issues. We do send direct deposit and a few other payment processors No crypto though. Real-time instant commissions. Most of these things on the compensation plan pay daily, and you can cash out daily. I think it's before 1 p.m. and it'll go either to your debit card, or it might be an actual day or two to send it to your bank account, but you still get paid to your account daily. Let's get right into it. So here is the upfront money. If you're inactive, meaning you've bought no products, you're going to earn 10%. That's all you get. No other perks in the compensation plan. If you're at 25 customer volume, you're going to start earning 20% for the customer's first 90 days because it's a binary. So I'm going to show you how you're going to earn on the back end after their 90 days. And if you have 100 customer volume, you're going to earn 30% bonuses up front and on level 2 and 3. So you're going to get some more fast start bonuses on your team as well. That's why I love direct sales, man. I hate having to do everything myself, and you're going to hate having to do everything yourself. So next is our leadership bonus. So this is fairly different. I've never really seen a company like this. So for your new and recurring 100 customer volume orders, if you have the most on the leaderboard in a month, you can earn anywhere from this amount to this amount. So imagine just having, just putting in work and you have 50 sales, and that's the highest the whole month for new and recurring. So if you have a member from last month purchase again, it counts as well, and you can make an extra $1,000 just for that. And then we have a 25 customer volume leaderboard. So for all your new, I don't know if it's recurring on this one. I think it's just your new orders. For all your new 25 customer volume orders, another leaderboard. So you can potentially hit both of these leaderboards and earn $2,000 just for putting in work. Next is the matrix bonus. It's not a matrix, it's more of a grid, but this is just what they call it. So the grid has a total of 32 spots, and it keeps redoing. It's not like a one-time thing. So when you get 200 customer volume orders, you get $50. And then this is with your team. Like, this is not just yourself. Like, you could do it, only you, but this is not for you, just yourself. This is for you to help your team. And then when you have 4, you're going to get a $75 bonus. When you have, I think it's 8, you're going to get 100, 16, you're going to get 115, 32, you're going to get 200, and this keeps going. So if you guys keep getting 100 customer volume orders, and this is only if you have 100 in customer volume yourself, you get this bonus. So extra $200 just doing the same work. So you're getting paid for the upfront money, and you're potentially getting paid another bonus for that same member. So we do binary. So this is probably different for many of you, but I actually like it a little better because, matrices kind of never always work out how they do. Our parent company, which is our personal care line, does do a matrix, but it's a smaller company, so it kind of works. It's not, it works. But with HBN, it's a binary, so it's 2 sides. So to activate this binary, you literally just have to have one customer on each side that has at least 25 customer volume. So you get one person, put them on this side, they have at least 25, and etc. on the other side. So in a binary, you get paid 4% to 4% if you only have 25 customer volume, and if you have 100 customer volume, 12%, and it's for a cycle. So pretty much when you have 200 customer volume on this side and 200 customer volume on this side, it cycles, and you get paid anywhere from $8 to $24 per cycle. And this is a team effort. So this is unheard of. I've never really seen this, and it's more, but this is very interesting. And I did some of the numbers. It's not a lot. So for example, I already have a right leg. I think it's one of my legs. I already have a leg with 4,000 customer volume on it, and I didn't build it. It's just doing its own thing. If I put 200 customer volume on the other side, I would just cycle automatically. I literally can just build this other side until they're even, and then I can start building both sides again. So last month, I had 200,000 customer volume on one leg, meaning I could have just built one leg, and every 200 customer volume my team gets or I get, it's a cycle. So 24, 24, 24, 24. Or if you're not at the 100 customer volume, 8, 8, 8, 8. So you get all this money, and then you get this, and then you get a matching bonus as well. So when your team's cycling, if it starts at platinum, you can get 25%, and then you got, when you get up in the ranks, you can get it on multiple levels. So the money's just overwhelming at this point. and it's not it. So you get lifestyle bonuses. So when you hit a certain rank, you just get paid every single week. This is weekly. So when you hit platinum, you just get paid $75 a week just for being platinum. And then when you get diamond, which is the goal, really emerald is the goal for me right now. But when you hit diamond, you're getting $12.50 a week. You do the math. You do the math. You're getting $12.50 a week just being a diamond. And diamonds clear a lot of money. And I'll show you the income disclosure for a diamond. This is usually the low and this is usually the high. This was from 2023. It can change, but this was the low and this was the high as a diamond, if that makes sense. Because when you have a company on customers and like you have to have a certain amount of customers to hit that rank, it builds up a certain income level. That's the best thing about having customer volume. You get us you're positioned a certain amount of income, and it could be more if people buy more. So I love this. And then to rank up, pretty simple. You know, they used to have it like the old school way, but they made it even better. So to be the first rank, you need two customers with at least 25 customer volume, one on each side. And then if you, this is the thing, like I said, I already told you, you get 20% and 4% of the binary at this level. And then at this level, you get 30% and 12%, and you get the star matrix. So you want to be at 100 customer volume pretty much. And to rank up, once you have one on each side, the rest is easy. So you can either do it the other way where you know you have to get a person to this rank, or you can just get team cycles. And I told you when you have 200, you know, when I told you if you have that volume on the left and that volume on the right, it's a cycle. So if you do 5 cycles, you can be bronze. If you do 20, you can be gold. Like it's all customers pretty much. It's like it's just a customer game. After you get your first 2, it's just a customer game. Cycles. You just balance your legs and just keep cycling. And 500 cycles, or you can do it this way with this many cycles. But, you know, like I said, this is the harder way. I just rather get customers and just cycle. 500 cycles, you're an emerald. 750 cycles, you're a diamond ambassador. And the rest is just like extra, you know, context. And that's the compensation plan, guys. That easy. I made this video a little longer than I wanted, but most of it was talking about the money, so you should be able to sit through this. And it's really simple. You're gonna go to a website and I actually have videos that explains the products and the customer volume a little more, so you can position yourself anywhere from 25 to 100 customer volume. You don't have to put yourself on auto ship if you don't want, but if you can, just do it just so you always, you know, you can either change it to throughout the month if you're like, hey, I want this product next month, but you'll always be active. You need at least 25 customer volume every 30 days to be, I think it's 31 days to be active. So I would just, you know, if you could put it on auto ship. And what's so great to finish this video is these products are not like just like regular products that you might not use. These are things that go with your everyday health. So like I like stuff that you take every day. Like this is something you'll just take probably for like a month at a time, and then you'll do it a few times a year. But like when you get into these other things, like these other products, they're just going to be things, well, not the parasite cleanse, but like the holy basil or, you know, stuff like this, you're just going to take it every day. You know, it's just something you're going to take every day for your optimal health. Like when you get to the weight loss products, you might be trying to, actually you lose inches and stuff like that. But when you're doing stuff like this, you're just taking it for your well-being. I like that. Like your multivitamin pretty much. You're just taking it because you want to keep your health up, keep it optimal. That's Heart and Body Naturals. This is a way you can make some money online. You're going to see a lot of videos about this now, and I'm just going to be coming down here breaking out products, showing you different aspects, and bringing you through the process from 0 to 6 figures with this business. If you want to join the team, we have a great team on Facebook as well. Just look in the description and more information will be there.